MeghalayaPost.news.
Spark Meghalaya kakhatsau tarik unailar kalapan ya district talent event arhajar arpun rio Don Bosco College Bendihati East Giant Hills District banlab ikisap ki pongjo ki khynnah school badhakni ke program lawan bani shimenta shirham da ki khynnah school na ki benta bopher jong ka district kajing thmu jong ka Spark Meghalaya kalong ban pli lat ya ki khynnah puli bakinlap ikisap kyrpang ki bakidon nalor kajing puli jongki hakani ke jingnelang lawan yedon benta da ki no hikai ki officer jong ka Spark Meghalaya nomi khmat na ki school bopher bad BSEO East Giant Hills District ubariki dami dingdo ki school ki blai wan shimenta hakani ke jingelang ki kentup yak Little Star Secondary School, Little Flowers Secondary School, Rambai Government Higher Secondary School, Ambrose Memorial Secondary School, Chiruphi Secondary School, Tulu Higher Secondary School. Habokran hakani ke jingelang ubariki dami dingdo ula ai jingero eka sarkar Meghalaya halo ke jingwara eka program Spark Meghalaya kabalong ka sien jam ban ai jingerap bat plelat iki somla puli banlap bat penroi yaki sam ki ba kidon haba ai mensi ki khynnah ula ong ba uno ubatrai sitom unsayo yoso jong ka jing turai sitom jong u hakapor ka badai bar ula banjur bamanla wei pawei khynnah udan ye ka sap ka bakarpang ka bau blei ula ai pada ka jing ye turai sitom jing ye ne bar jing shlur kila banteng shan halaki benta ha ka jing em jongki
confidence and aspiration of our young people. Every student present here has demonstrated dedication, hard work, and the courage to step forward and showcase their unique abilities. I sincerely appreciate the government of Meghalaya for introducing Spark Meghalaya, an initiative that provides our students with opportunities to discover their potential beyond the classroom. Education is not only about academic excellence, it is equality about nurturing creativity, leadership, innovation, communication, and character. My heartfelt appreciation goes to all schools, heads, teachers, campus talent coordinators, jury members, parents, and every stakeholders whose commitment has made this program a success. Your guidance and encouragement have inspired a student to dream bigger and perform with confidence. To my dear student, remember that success is not measured only by winning awards. Every effort you make, every challenge you overcome, and every lesson you learn contributes to your growth. Continue to believe in yourself and strive for excellence in whatever you do. As kita sini juang ubatrai sitom hati doma dikam bersakhek ya usah kecinjau. May this event motivate all of us to continue creating opportunities where every child can discover, develop, and shine with the God-given talents.
MeghalayaPost.news.